It's an honor na nandito tayo. So, ready na ba kayo?
Ready na.
Isang magandang umaga sa inyong lahat. Palakpakan natin ang HTC Birmingham. Palakpakan natin ang Cresco Realty. Good morning, everybody.
Good morning.
I like the positive energy today because this is the milestone of HTC Birmingham in selling our projects. I like to thank my family, Boss Jimmy Hernandez, the CEO, Chief Executive Officer, President of Birmingham Subdivisions. Palakpakan natin siya. Executive Vice President for Sales, Ma'am Eva Pahares Hernandez. Palakpakan natin ang Documentation Head and Bank Coordinator Processing Head, Ma'am Krisha Marie Pahares Hernandez. Pag-alagwa ng Birmingham. Bago pa lang to, probationary period siya, ma'am. Pero wala pa siyang 6 months, pero 4 na benta ang naipasok niya. Let's palakpakan si Miss Ali. Backup Marketing. Palakpakan natin si Miss Abby Agnes. Kasi siya ang kumakamada sa marketing. We'll acknowledge the presence of Ma'am Rachel, the Backup Marketing of Homeowners Development Corporation, Birmingham Subdivisions. Siya ang naglalakad ng marketing, sa marketing namin, sa mga titles, processing, Project Coordinator Milo Torres. May presenta tong Birmingham Camden. Ito kasi yung innovative, Sir Jello, na project ng Birmingham. Nandito na yung Norwich. 3 bedrooms, 2 toilet and bath, carport and terrace, ang kapa, 8068. Ang sabi nila, lakihan ng kwarto. So ito na yung ini-innovate namin. Nagsisimula kaming innovate for our respective brokers and agents. Kasama na ang Cresco sa pamilya na. Nasaan si Miss Krisha Geronimo? Hep, hep! Nasaan si Mr. Cesar Kubangbang? Hep, hep! Okay. Nasaan si Miss Ella Malikdem? Hep, hep! Nasaan si Miss Emily San Pablo? Hep, hep! Very good. Nasaan si Miss Luningning Wendam? Hep, hep! Out of 251 brokers and agents, gusto ko lahat kayo makabenta. Nasaan si Miss Alicia Anyasco? Hep, hep! Very good. Tumayo pa talaga. Nasaan si Miss Marilyn Kiamoy? Hep, hep! Nasaan si Miss Lucila Bartolome Cresco? Nasaan si Miss Liana June Nabong Cresco? Nasaan si Ma'am Yolanda Bacani Cresco? Nasaan si Mr. Bernard Ariando Cresco? Okay. Pakpakan natin ang Cresco family. Welcome to HTC family. Mission namin is to give Filipinos, every Filipino, a decent house. We are 41 years in the industry, ma'am. So we are rest assured we are innovating our best products for every Filipinos nationwide. We are hiring cream of the crop employees for us to grow and prosper. Our mission is to give Filipinos a good house and provide safety for our residents by giving accessible location of establishments, transportation, firms, mga jeeps na tamang sakay na lugar, tamang establishments na pupuntahan na para maging kakilala kami na dekalidad kaming proyekto sa mga bawat tao. Yun ang goal ng Birmingham. Tapos ngayon, lagi ko narinig sa mga agents namin, Sir Jello, lakihan ng kwarto, spacious rooms. So nag-innovate na kami, Sir, Norwich. Ito yung mga projects namin, di ba, Tito Sandy? 3 bedrooms, 2 toilet and bath, living, dining, ito na lahat. It's your choice to look at it. Pickleball, ito yung sign na nag-innovate kami. So, ito yung warehouse namin. Maganda yung pagkatayo ng warehouse namin. Dekalidad na mga gamit, ma'am. Yes, from I-beam to painting works, mga skim coating products namin. Mga boys yan, Davis Paints. Tama ba? So, ang mission pa namin is to prove to every Filipinos that 41 years is not enough to prove that we are one of the best developers and credited developers in Philippines today. That's how I keep our staff. I want them to be happy in our workplace and keep them safe and always be happy in their working environment at umangat ang Birmingham. Kaya we have a dedicated, trustworthy, and lenient staff in our office. Palakpakan natin ulit sila. Palakpakan lang tayo palagi para umangat at Cresco. So, yun nga, yung mission namin na gumanda yung project namin, matulungan namin yung mga brokers namin, at maibigay ang dekalidad na bahay. Bakit kayo nagbibenta? For a living and for your passion in selling and real estate industry, pag-alagwa, forward para umangat ang Birmingham at matulungan namin ang buhay nyo. Accredited banks is BDO, Metrobank, BPI, RCBC, Land Bank. So for any bank loans or inquiries, you can call Ma'am Kim, the bank coordinator, my very pretty sister. because I always have respect for people and I want our staff to be comfortable. So, we started from Birmingham Metro, yung mga Metro Green, Metropolis, Birmingham Meadows, Birmingham Alberto, Metropolis, Heights, Simeona in Marikina, Panorama, General Trias, tingnan nyo. Isa kayo sa dahilan kaya umangat na Birmingham Homes, Birmingham Camden, Burbank, Residences, and soon later, Tanay. So ngayon, iiksiyan ko na to kasi Sir Jello parang gusto nang umikot eh. Gusto na parang ala tailor-made, pero alam ko, love na love niyang Birmingham. Dahil sa akin, dahil magkasanggan kita tayong dalawa. I love you, Sir Jello, from the bottom of my broken heart. Hindi ako broken, full heart ako. Di ba?
I'm Luningning Wenda from Cresco, sales agent.
Hi,
Hello.
Cesar Kubangbang po, ng Cresco.
Hi. Hello, Cresco. Hi, I'm Rose Dutaro from Cresco.
Mempital po, Andrete Kabambang.
Hello, Chi Bartolome, a Cresco member.
Hi po, good morning. Yana na po.
Hello po, good morning. I'm Alicia Anyasco, Cresco salesperson.
Morning from Quezon City.
Hi, I'm Emily San Pablo Biluan from Cresco.
Hi, good morning. I'm Marilyn Caimo as a salesperson.
I'm Riz Geronimo, your trusted salesperson.
Sarap, no? The best yung buko. Ito, bida po si Kuya Gaspar. Sir, anong name nyo? Jonathan. Sir, kayo po? Joy po. Joy? Stig yun ah. Ito si Kuya Joy, Jonathan, and Sir Gaspar.
Ayaw ba yun, sir?
Yung last time ako rin eh. Yung nakabike.
Nakabike? Ayaw
Ako po eh. Uy, o nga no, naalala kita. Hello, doggy. Huli. Yan. Hey sir, anong name niyo po? Ryan. Hello po. Fresco in the house. Kasama ka na sa ano, no, GC natin. No? Mami.
Hi mga kahumi. Hi kahumi.
Gavin, say ka homie.
Hi kahumi.
Gigil na sa tsokolate. Tita Ching. Hi.
Hello, look at the buko, very fresh. Like my color.
Uy, thank you again, Sir Gaspar. I like your color, ha? I like your... Right, nandito tayo muli sa may Barangay Sampaloc, Marilaki. So, ano na yan, Santa Maria Laguna, yung sa baba. Sobrang lapit na natin. KM67. Meron tayong 5 hectares na lot dito. So meron siyang block 7 around 86 to 87 lots. Lumulugar 300 minimum na lot area. So nasa 12 to 14,000 per square. So ano siya, exclusive subdivision to. Pwede siyang gawing Airbnb. Pwede mo siyang gawing okay. Pwede mo siyang gawing farm mo basta residential area. Yan. Maraming salamat. Buka tayo.